Outside with bro. About to get this thing cleaned up. Oh, baby. Been a minute since I've been in one of these. Let's see. We ride low out here, boy. What is it? 16? What? What speed is it?
This is 13.
13. Show y'all how real shifters be shifting out here since y'all boys want to make videos and shit. Show y'all how we get down. They think Tommy don't be trucking. Let's show y'all some shit. This is where I learned from. No clutch. No clutch. Oh, baby. Y'all hear that motherfucker? Killing it.
Yeah, the right RPMs, that bitch will slide in there every time.
Oh, baby. Yeah. Shit right smooth, boy.
So I thought you had no road to do before.
Not this one. I rode in the other one.
That bitch be even louder, bro, and I got a fucking load.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Watch how he break this bitch down, man. I love to see him do this shit. Oh, yeah, he got to break it. He ain't got to. I had learned that shit. I said, oh, they done fuck up. When I had learned how to break down with the J brake, oh, baby. That bitch, I said, oh, shit, that nigga shit. And you were driving my truck like that. I said, oh, shit. How the fuck you drive my truck like that?
I feel like when you know how to fucking shift like that, boy, that shit saved your fucking life, boy.
Yeah, man.
You gotta do a fucking center stop.
Yeah.
You don't know what the fuck you doing.
You gonna fuck up, man.
Kill yourself with somebody.
Yeah. I be trying to tell these little rookies out here, they be swear they driving. But I'm like, boy, you ain't been out there in that fire, boy. We started out in the fire out there. When you can bring that bitch down through them snowy ass, icy ass mountains, you can't see the road, boy. Now you trucking. Breaking that bitch down. Woo. Woo. Oh, baby. Going to get the truck washed. I'm recording the whole time. We in South Carolina, by the way. Get your ass, buddy. Move your ass out of the flipping way, man.
I don't want to say fuck it.
Come on now. Huh?
I don't want to say fuck this shit, man. This bullshit.
Man, you volunteer. Let me get you clean.
We ain't up there yet, though, motherfucker.
Think about it, ran into the back of the fucking trailer and shit. Oh, baby.
God damn.
Guess we gotta sit.
Every week, goddamn.
Hey, so tell these people about the truck, man. What kind of truck is this, man?
Well, shit. It's a Peterbilt 36, 2014. And no, it don't have the original engine in. We got a 34.6 cat.
Oh, baby.
34.6 E.
Talk your shit.
Exactly. You know 13 in the floor.
Oh, baby. Man, y'all see how he's sitting on there like he's Black Jesus or some shit, man. The fuck? Nigga think he a sex symbol or some
It's like
shit.
how the sun shining down on me. I'm looking real immaculate right now. You know what I'm saying? Real immaculate.
Fuck out of here, man.
Shit, like he's full of love right now.
Man, shut your ass up.
Yo, this the daily drive and shit right there. Shit, this how I make my bread. You know what I'm saying?
This shit right smooth as fuck, man. I ain't driving no more, but I'm gonna be back out there soon.
Yeah, you gonna be back out there soon. Scratching gears and talking shit.
I'm working with disabled people right now with autism. So
Yeah.
I'm at peace at this job, but I miss the truck. I ain't gonna count.
Yeah, we'll get back to it. Sometimes you gotta step away from that shit sometimes.
Hell yeah, man.
Shit, I had to step away from it one time before.
That dude getting his truck, what?
I don't know, that shit on me, understanding, bro.
Why the fuck he ain't in line with the damn...
Them motherfuckers will be in
holding
the way
up space, man. Yeah, he getting his truck, what? God, it's in that beat, dog. Yeah. Nah, shit scared my ass. That shit scared the hell out of me. Shouts out to Blue Beacon, even though bro was being an asshole about me recording, but fuck him. This shit clean as hell, boy. Hell yeah.